So, what is the Attention Training and Realignment Program? This program is for rational thinkers who understand the importance of intellect-based self-inquiry without getting influenced by any belief system, only believing or trusting what is in your experience. Here you will learn how to shift the attention from layers of mind to the sense of beingness, being conscious, being in the moment. So by keeping the attention in the sense of consciousness or spending more time in the present moment, you will experience relief from the chaos of overthinking. You will have more clarity on how you can stay happy by keeping the attention in stillness or in positive thought patterns. This program is a 7-step method to train the attention to shift away from thought patterns to the stillness of being conscious or being in the moment. You can also choose to shift the attention away from your negative patterns to positive thought patterns. Through these techniques, gradually a person can gain more control and freedom to use the mind in productive activities rather than wasting time in overthinking and negative patterns, thought patterns. It also opens up the possibility of discovering the true nature of the self, which is also described as self-realization or self-actualization. The 7 steps of the Attention Training and Realignment Program are presence-centered anchoring, spending time in the presence of an expert practitioner or a master for clarity of mind, clearing misconceptions and doubts, deep insights, and constant reminders to stay in the present moment. Second step is Enquiry-based program for intellectual clarity. So self-inquiry based intellectual understanding of how the mind works and how to transform the mind. The third step is subconscious mind training during sleep. Here the training happens at the subconscious level through powerful subliminal affirmations by listening to an expert practitioner's or master's audio or live affirmations. The fourth step is subconscious mind training while awake. So here the training of subconscious mind happens through, again, powerful self-affirmations, mantras, chants, through which you can let any positive affirmation reach the subconscious layers of your mind, and gradually it becomes a reality for you, because subconscious mind is responsible for your deep beliefs or habits or how you respond to your situation. So these affirmations are very powerful to train the subconscious mind. So fifth step is being centered attention training. This is a practice of bringing attention back to the present moment through many different types of techniques through which you can stay in the moment, be alert, and be available to the opportunities which are present. The sixth step is the mental pattern shifting. Here you will learn how to shift the attention from negative thought patterns to positive thought patterns, how to use the powerful techniques of gratitude, what's the correct way to use it. All these things you will learn here. In the seventh step, it is about attention absorption in inner silence. So it is about learning how to let the attention shift from mental voices to the bliss of inner silence. As you spend more time in being in present, being in absolute inner silence, the old mental patterns which were not useful will break, and it will give way to new positive mental patterns, to a new outlook towards life. So these 7 methods include many techniques which trains the attention at many different levels, whether in daytime or during sleep. Also you will get audios through which you can utilize to train the subconscious layers of your mind towards a positive outlook. It will guide you on how to deal with deep fears or desires of mind which even you might not be aware of, and how to train the mind to only focus on productive and positive activities, and also ultimately to realize your true potential, to realize the nature of your true self. This program is part of our free meditation camps, Himalayan camps, and meditation retreats, and also soon there will be an online workshop. So during this program you will learn all the 7 steps of attention training and realignment, and this is designed around a step-by-step intellectual understanding of how the mind works and how to use the mind as a helpful tool rather than being a slave of the mind. So it is not based on any belief system. It is for rational thinkers. In the description section you'll get more information about the retreats related to this self-enquiry and attention realignment training and realignment program, and also regarding the online workshop. So I hope this information was helpful. May you live a blissful life. Namaskar.